Hello! This week we are making the Popsicle stick Schneemann. In honor of the Schnee we are getting later this week. You've probably guessed it, but Schnee is German for snow. So a Schneemann is a snowman. Let's get rolling by opening up our craft kit.
Inside your kit, you'll find a white popsicle stick, some black cardstock, 2 googly eyes, 3 black beads, some yarn or some ribbon, and of course, a little bit of string. This week, you'll also need some scissors, some kind of glue, a black marker, and something orange. It can be a pencil, a pen, or a marker. Let's start by cutting a top hat from the cardstock. Begin with the brim and then the body of the hat. If you use the entire piece, you might make a hat that's way too tall for your snowman, so adjust accordingly. Now we're going to attach the top hat, but first let's place the string. Add a little bit more glue and then place your top hat, sandwiching the string in between. Moving on, glue the googly eyes just below the hat. Once the eyes are in place, move on to the buttons. Make sure you leave enough room between the eyes and the buttons for a scarf and, of course, a carrot nose. To attach your scarf, place a line of glue above the first button and lay down the yarn, leaving a loose end of about 2 inches on one side. Then flip your snowman around and add a second line of glue to secure the scarf in the back. If your kit came with yarn, now you can wrap it around about 3 times, finishing with a double knot on the side. Then trim the loose edges so that they're nice and even. If your kit has a ribbon, it's just the same, but you might only wrap it around twice before finishing it off with a double knot. And just like we did with the yarn, make sure to trim the ends so they're nice and even. Next, take your orange pen, pencil, or marker and give your snowman a nose by drawing a long sideways triangle. It should look just like a little carrot. Finish off your snowman by giving him a mouth. He could be smiling, singing, or any other fun expression you can dream up.
Once you've completed your Popsicle Schneemann, add it to your ornament collection and admire all the great things you've made. Thanks for hanging out with me the last 4 weeks. I hope you have a happy holiday and a healthy new year. Until next time, tschüss!